Ever wondered if cracking your joints is harmful? Stay tuned to find out. In the next few seconds, you'll learn the truth about joint cracking. When you crack your joints, you're actually releasing gas bubbles. This creates that popping sound we all know. But does it cause damage? Research shows that occasional joint cracking isn't harmful. No link has been found to arthritis or long-term damage. However, repetitive cracking can strain your ligaments. Listening to your body is crucial. If you feel pain, it's best to stop and consult a doctor. Joints are resilient, but be mindful of how often you crack them. It's always good to practice moderation. Did you find this insightful? Hit the like button if you found this useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.